On this next lesson, so we'll be talking about scheduled reports and notifying the recipient. So there's quite a few ways of doing it. It's either you put in the users, the groups, and the email address. So the way you do it, basically, from our previous lesson, you need to navigate to reports, right? If it's this link here, right? You navigate to reports and do scheduled reports, right? As we move forward, right, to this lesson, it's making sure that the notification or the recipient basically is correct. And you could basically do it in a user perspective, right? On the group perspective or using the email. But however, I always recommend to create a group, right? And as your recipients may grow, right? And you could just add them to a specific group and reports and data and information are specific to the owners or the stakeholders, right? So as your stakeholders grow, they have confidential information that only specific people that needs to see or view that dashboard or report. So I suggest you create the by groups, and you have to fully understand how the structure of the organization is, and you get to understand how to create the groups specifically. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next lesson.